Hello everyone, welcome to Mifratech. So today in this section I'm going to explain you how to install different packages needed for this liver disease prediction project. So first we'll go to project folder. So this is the project folder, liver disease prediction. So inside this one there's a requirement text document is there. So just double click on this one. See here, these are the different packages we need to install now. So here Flask, NumPy, Pandas, XGBoost you can install any version, but PyMySQL, this PyMySQL and scikit-learn you need to install this particular version only, because with other versions there is a chance of getting error is there. So now how to install them? So just go to search bar, type here cmd. So now command prompt will open. So just double click on this one. So this is what the command prompt window. Now type cd, that is change directory. Go to file explorer or file manager in your system. Open local disk C. Inside that one program files. Again go to Python 36. Again scripts. So this is the exact path where Python 3.6.8 has been installed in your system. So just copy the path. Go back to command prompt. After cd, just paste that path. Click on it, and now path has been changed successfully. So how to install those packages? The command is pip install numpy, name of the package numpy hyphen user. So this is the exact command we have to install in order to install numpy package, and make sure that internet is connected to your system. And one more thing is, after entering this command you need to click on enter. So after that, if you are installing for the first time, they will get download and show successfully installed. If you are already installed in my system, means it will show requirement already satisfied. So here my system already this package is already installed, so it will show requirement already satisfied. So now we need to install next package, that is pandas. So same command pip install, instead of numpy now type pandas hyphen user, click on enter. See here requirement already satisfied, so pandas also already there in my system. So now we need to install scikit-learn. Like I told, scikit-learn this particular version only you need to install. So copy this entire line, go back to command prompt, type same command pip install. Now paste whatever you copied at scikit-learn with the version, just paste it hyphen user, click on enter. See here requirement already satisfied, so scikit-learn also already there in my system. So next we need to install is Flask. So the command is same pip install. So now the name of the package is Flask, flask hyphen user, click on enter. So requirement already satisfied. So next we need to install XGBoost. So command is same, there is no change in command, same pip install, instead of Flask now type XGBoost. See here XGBoost hyphen user, click on it. See here requirement already satisfied, so XGBoost also already there in my system. So now we need to install this PyMySQL, this particular version only. So copy the entire line, go back to command prompt, type pip install. Now paste whatever you copied in the place of XGBoost. So PyMySQL with the version hyphen user, click on enter. So this particular version PyMySQL will be installed in your system. See here requirement already satisfied, so this package also already there in my system. See here Flask install, NumPy over, Pandas, PyMySQL, XGBoost, scikit-learn. So now all the different packages needed both for front and back end for this liver disease project has been installed successfully in my system now. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.